Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ejilechi, and on today's video I'm gonna be dropping the tea on how I achieved this gorgeous makeup look. Guys, I just realized that I don't have a makeup tutorial on my channel, and we're about to change that. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this soft 10 minutes makeup look. If you're a soft girl that wants a soft makeup you can take to work, to church, or even as an everyday makeup look, this look is for you, and you can achieve this in 10 minutes. Guys, I'm trying to build my community. It will definitely mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. Guys, the first thing I do is to do my skincare, which I actually did off camera, and then the next thing I do is to prime my face, because you want to have that flawless base. When I prime my face, I try to make sure I avoid my eyebrows because I don't really want it to be, oily. This is like a hydrating primer that I use for my face, so we're gonna do that right now. I'm really surprised I don't have my makeup routine on my channel. We're about to fix that right now. This is like a quick 10 minutes makeup tutorial if you're someone that doesn't really like to waste time on your makeup, but you want your makeup to appear flawless, to have that soft glam. Should I even say glam? To have that soft makeup every single time, then I suggest you stick around. The next thing I use is my foundation. The foundation I use is this Avoir matte base waterproof pro long wear liquid foundation. I usually don't like to use a lot of foundation because it's hot in Nigeria. It's really hot in Nigeria, so I use about 2 to 3 pumps at most of foundation, and then I blend seamlessly into my skin. One thing with having the soft glam makeup is that you need to blend. Actually, you need to know how to blend properly. I like to use this to blend my foundation instead of a brush. I don't know, I just prefer it. So blend that. One thing I love to do is to use a lip balm on my lips and let it marinate while I beat the face up, if you get what I mean. Then the next thing I do is to conceal underneath my eyes so that I can get that, brighter eye look. I take a concealer that is like 1 to 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I do this here and here, here and here as well. I feel like for makeup you have to actually do what works for you. There's no really like one size fits all thing. You have to really experiment, try out different techniques. Most times it's not really about the products that you use. I blend that in. Most times I feel like it's not really just about the, sorry, my mirror is over here, so I might be looking this way a lot. Most times it's not really about the products you use, but about your technique, the technique that you use to get like full coverage, or to get like something that actually fits your face. Yeah, so this is blend that out seamlessly. This kind of elevates my face rather than just throwing my concealer all over my eyes. This does it better for me. Soft scale makeup. Blend. the key to your makeup is to actually have like a perfect base, which I actually call the skin walk, which is what I'm doing right now. I like to draw my brows after. I don't like drawing my brows before I do my makeup, before I do like my skin work. For me, when I actually do all of this, it gives me like an outline of where my brows should go instead of just drawing my brows before. So just like I said, makeup is for you to actually experiment and see what actually works for you. So I'm gonna take my loose powder and dab on the places where I put my concealer for that seamless finish. I'm not gonna do a lot of this because I'm not really going for like a heavy glam. I'm just going for a soft makeup, a quick soft makeup. To actually blush my face. Orange blush does it for me a lot, so I just do this, dab into my skin. I never really used to like blushes, but now I can't do my makeup without blushes. Like I love it, just gives your face life. It just brings back life to your face. I take a little and put on my nose as well. It's time for our brows. Brush up my brows. Your brows are so important because they frame your face. I use an eye pencil. I don't like to use a really dark shade, but it just has to be brown, but not so brown. Trace out my eyebrows. Your brows are not supposed to look like twins, but they can be sisters. I'm sure this looks like sisters right now. This is the brush I use. I like to blend that into my eyelids for this seamless look. I'd advise you use concealers that are at most 2 shades, a shade to 2 shades lighter than your skin for your eyebrow. But just like I said, makeup isn't one size fits all. You have to do what works for you. So powder. I like to powder my eyes. I'm not going to be doing a shadow today because we're just doing something soft too. So powder my entire face. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video because it helps the algorithm recommend it to people that will need it. Subscribe to my channel as well because we always do beauty maintenance lovely stuff on this channel, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.